Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ramon with the Rhodesian Connection. So I'm in Adana, the home of the Adana Kebab, and we're gonna go sightseeing and see what this wonderful city has to offer. So I'm with some of my friends from this couple of friends of mine from this journey, and let's see what this place has to offer. So this is the stone bridge, which is a historical monument, and it's a couple of 100 years old, and it still looks really, really good. Alright, so we're walking over the stone bridge right now, and the weather's pretty hot. They have like this temperature down here in Adana seems like it's much hotter than back in what do you call it, Antalya, or even in Mersin, but it looks like a pretty well-developed city. So on this side over here, they have a masjid. This is supposed to be one of the landmarks over here in Adana. Alright, this is the clock tower that's up here in Adana. This is one of the landmarks that Adana is famous for, and it's close to another masjid. A lot of different stores around here, so let's check this place out. Hi, how are you?
Adana Kebab, çöp şiş, kaburga buyurun. Yeri uzak, hoş geldiniz.
Okay.
Taze ciğer setimiz, çöp şiş, kaburga buyurun efendim.
Oh, this is where they make iron. All the iron works.
Hocam bir tane gül alır mısın?
So this place has a lot of different places to eat. And our switch is right now. Here's another iron, metal works. Here's a Musta in action. Alright, very, very cool. Alright guys, so we're at the at this huge mall in Adana, and they've got like a IKEA over here. So we're gonna go check it out in a little bit. This is like the Media Mart mall. So they've got like a lot of different stores here. From, like I said, IKEA. You've got even stores like the H&M and a lot more other places. So this is a thick and huge mall. Yeah, I think it's called the M1 Mall. So let's go inside and check it out. It's so freaking hot over here, so we just jumped into IKEA because they have AC, and look at us all exhausted and we're trying to cool off from this serious weather out here in Adana. So we'll explore the rest of this mall in a little bit. It's amazing, right here in Adana we have Popeyes and of course Burger King and the usual. But this is like a new town area of Adana. As you can see, all the buildings are more modern and newer. So this signifies that Adana, at least this area of Adana, has a higher class of people, or the richer section of Adana, because all these buildings are probably in the range of million plus lira. So the locals would not be able to afford such a place. They have a huge Carrefour over here. We're not gonna go in there, but just want to let you know, in the mall. And the mall is right there in front of me, which we just came out of with the IKEA. And there's a multitude of other stores over there. So if you are in Adana, you can go visit these places. I mean, places like Mango's, The Gap, they've got even H&M and so forth. So hey guys, all right, so today we did a day trip to Adana in Turkey. Very nice location. I have to say that there's different sections of Adana. Some are obviously like, poorer neighborhoods, and then the section we did by the mall, where it had the IKEA and all those other stores, is much more modern and newer buildings, and obviously richer section of Adana. So all in all, I had an amazing day. I covered a few spots, and in the future I'll make another video that will show you a little bit more of Adana. But if you're new to my channel, this is Ramon with the Rhodesian Connection. Hope you enjoyed this this little video. Until the next time, guys, cheers.